Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your face unlock not working on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin. So first, let's simply head into our settings. Then we can scroll down and go into lock screen. But before we progress any further, let's actually make sure that our face unlock is indeed working. We can lock our screen, try to unlock it, and now I will move, and as you can see, I do have the ability to just unlock my device without having to input my pattern nor pin or anything. So in my case, my face looks pretty okay. Why? Because I am currently in a pretty well lit environment and I do not own or wear any kind of mask, any kind of glasses, any kind of makeup or anything else. If you are, then there is a very high chance that this is the reason that your face unlock isn't working. However, if it's not, then you can always just head into settings and add something more. And of course, I'm talking about re-registering your face. However, this may not even be necessary. Let's head into screen lock and biometrics, let's enter our current PIN or password or pattern, and let's scroll down to face recognition. As you can see, we technically can remove face data and just re-register our face once again, or we can enhance our recognition by adding alternative appearance. And what's even cool about that is that you don't really have to look different, you can just re-register your face anytime you want. So I will go with add alternative appearance. And now, as I said before, you want to be in a very well-lit environment, but not too bright nor too dark, and just follow the rules. So I will now tilt the camera next to my face and I will click register. And as you can see, this is how I look like, face reveal I guess. And now we want to position ourselves in the front. So my face is right here. And we have a little bar that's appearing at the top. So as you can see, it is a bit clunky. We can zoom out, so now it has a better understanding of our face. And as you can see, come on man, the setup is complete. And as you can see, this is technically the only one alternative appearance. So for example, if you have long hair, I would advise you to remove all of the data and once scan yourself with your hair untied, and then when you have your hair tied or in some sort of hat or whatever, because then the alternative appearance function will actually work properly. Also, I would advise you to scroll down and make sure to brighten the screen, since typically this does help you with unlocking your screen with face during the night. So let's lastly just test our little face unlock. So I will now, as you can see, we are now in the lock state. I will now move. And as you can see, it is working. We can just unlock our phone and be happy. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.